Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie. Normally, this is blue, but because it's Black Friday the entire month of November, Chic Sparrow is, I'm guessing, doing black packaging. Or they just changed the packaging, but either way, I like my theory that other people have said. So, anyway, this is from the Second Chance sale. And it is an A6. I have one A6, which I love. That is a leather traveler's notebook that was made by a very good friend of mine, Lori Angus. And I love it, but I want a second one because I am quite possibly going to be using a second Cousin Avec, or not Cousin Avec, a Techo Avec, possibly for tracking a side hustle that I'm possibly going to be doing. But we will see. Either way, with the Second Chance being half off this month, I thought that I would add another A6 to my collection. And that is what this is. Because otherwise, I'm pretty well set. I can tell this is not a waypoint. On mine, well, I can't tell you that because it'll tell me what it is. But it feels like a Darcy. It's stiff kind of like that. It does not feel like a Mockingbird, which is good. I did ask for no pink, so hopefully this is not a pink one. I did ask for Odyssey, of course, and it could possibly be that. But we will see. It is an old style pen loop, so that's a plus. Yeah. All right. I've been heartbroken so many times. I'm like, oh, I don't want to. But I do, but I don't, but I do. All right. Like a Band-Aid. Oh, Carrie Harling Violet. Nice. I did not have anything in this at all. Woohoo. This is gorgeous. Okay. All right. This is well worth the... I think it was... Let me look. Now that I know that it's Carrie Harling Violet. And... for CHV. Oh, yes. Darcy CHV. See? No, it's Darcy. I asked for Odyssey or Hemingway if possible. Lots of striations and textures. No pink, please. That's what I asked for. And I believe this was... It was less than $30. So... And it's a beautiful color. And I was sad that I actually didn't have anything in this. And while there are no... I mean, there's some... like little texture in here and up here. It is gorgeous. And I am super happy with that. And, yeah. All right. This is definitely a keeper. So, purple. Yay. There you have it. My A6 Second Chance sale. I don't know what would have made it a second chance. Because, well, the one thing it could be is that it is contrast stitching. This is a retired color, and it's got the old pen loop. And it's quite dusty, so you can tell that it's been on the shelf for a while. It does have a mark. I don't know if you can see it. See right there? It's got an indent there. But that just seems like a natural striation from the leather. But yeah, no, I don't see any actual issues with this at all. I mean, there's some scratches there, but otherwise the stitching seems great. And it could just simply be that the stitching, that it's the old stitching and it's the old style and it's a retired color. So, yeah, that's all I got. There's some, if I can see it right there, there's some it's not cracks, it's just rippling, kind of like if you would have rolled it, or striations right there from the stress of putting on the pen loop. But otherwise, yeah, it's gorgeous. So, Carrie Harling Violet. Awesome. I love this. So, there you have my A6 Second Chance, which I will definitely be hanging on to because it is gorgeous. So, anyway, I hope you have had a wonderful week. If you have something in the CHV or Carrie Harling Violet, let me know because I would love to know that. But there you have it. Absolutely perfect. Love it. Second chance sale, 50% off. Definitely can't go wrong with that. So, have a great day. As always, spend your life celebrating because it is definitely worth every moment, and I will talk to you soon.